Let us look at the method of differences for finding the or evaluating the series. So sometimes a series may not be an arithmetic series or a geometric series or a arithmetico-geometric series. So let's look at one of them. So given 3, 15, 35, 63, dot, 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 we notice that 15 minus 3 is 12, 35 minus 15 is 20, 63 minus 35 is 28. That means there is no common difference. So this sequence is not an arithmetic progression. Now let's check whether it is a geometric progression. 15 divided by 3 equal to 5, 35 divided by 15 is 7 by 3, 63 divided by 35 is 9 by 5. So again, no common ratio, which means it is not a geometric progression. Let us take the sequence of differences. So 15 minus 3 is 12, 35 minus 15 is 20, 63 minus 35 is 28, and so on. Is this a arithmetic progression? Let's check. 20 minus 12 is 8, 28 minus 20 is 8. So we have a common difference, which means this is an arithmetic progression. But suppose it is not. Then if we repeat the process of finding the common difference in the sequence of common differences, at some point, the difference of differences are in AP. Now, of course, here we have found an AP in the first sequence of differences. So we have D is equal to 8 and A is equal to 12. So at the first level itself, we have reached our goal of identifying a sequence with common difference. Now somehow we have to find this in our given series, or we have to convert this series in such a way that it remains the same series, but this arithmetic progression is embedded in that. So let's look at the series itself. S sub n is equal to 3 plus 15 plus 35 plus 63 dot 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 t sub n minus 2 plus t sub n minus 1 plus t sub n. Now let us figure out the nth term using the arithmetic progression. So we have t sub n is equal to 3, we leave it as it is. One term, you can't have a difference. So 3 plus 15 minus 3 plus 35 minus 15 plus 63 minus 35 plus so on up to n minus 1th term. Because t sub n is not there because we are trying to figure out what the nth term is. Okay. So this is nothing but arriving at t sub n using 3 plus d plus d plus d plus d and so on. So we have t sub n is equal to 3 plus 12 plus 20 plus 28 plus dot 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 up to n minus 1 terms. This is an arithmetic series and we know the formula for the sum of first n terms, that is n times 2a plus n minus 1d by 2. So basically this formula is taking the mean of the first and last terms in the AP and multiplying by the number of terms, which is nothing but the sum. T sub n is equal to 3 plus, so we apply this formula. Now here we are not talking of n terms, we are talking of n minus 1 terms. So we substitute in the formula n with n minus 1. So we have n minus 1 times 2 times 12 plus n minus 1 minus 1, that is n minus 2 times 8, the whole thing divided by 2. Simplifying that, we get 3 plus n minus 1 by 2 times 24 plus 8n minus 16. Now simplifying this, we get 8 plus 8n. 24 minus 16 is 8 plus 8n. 8 is common to both of them. So 8 times 1 plus n. 2 and 8 cancel, leaving 4. So we have 3 plus n minus 1 times 4 times 1 plus n. Now we have n minus 1 times n plus 1. So we have n square minus 1 times 4, which is equal to 3 plus 4n square minus 4. And finally, we get the nth term in the simplest form, that is 4n square minus 1. Summation of t sub k from 1 to n is equal to summation k equal to 1 to n of 4k square minus 1. Now we split this into two summations. We get 4 times the summation k equal to 1 to n of k square minus summation k equal to 1 to n of 1. And we know the formulas for this. So we have S sub n is equal to 4 times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 by 6 minus summation of this is n. Now simplifying this, we get 4n cube plus 6n square plus 2n minus 3n divided by 3. Further simplification gives us n times 4n square plus 6n minus 1 because n is common to all of them. So this is the formula for finding the sum of first n terms in the series. Now let's verify this. We have S sub 1 is equal to, just blindly substitute n with 1. So 1 times 4 plus 6 minus 1 by 3, that is 6 plus 4, 10 minus 1, 9, 9 by 3, which is equal to 3. And we do have 3 here. Or in the series, we have this 3. Now, in case of sum of first two terms, we have S sub 2 is equal to 2 times 2 square is 4, 4, 4, 16 plus 6 2 is 12 minus 1 by 3, which gives us 16 plus 12 is 28 minus 1 is 27. 27 2 is 54 divided by 3, which is 18. And 15 plus 3 is 18. So that was finding or evaluating the series using method of difference. Now, if you found this session helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. That's it for now.